Okay, quite a nice way to solve this equation is to multiply straight away everything by 20. And the reason I choose 20 is because I can see that 4 and 5 will both divide exactly into 20. So there's my original equation. I'll just do this in colour so you can see it a bit more clearly. What I'm going to do is multiply each term by 20. So I'm going to multiply this first term by 20, so that needs to go in a bracket. I'm going to multiply the second term by 20. And remember, if I'm multiplying a fraction by a whole number, it's the top of the fraction that I multiply by that whole number. And I also have to multiply here by 20. And the reason I've done that is because I can now cancel. The 4 goes into 20 5 times. The 5 goes into 20 4 times. And the right-hand side is just going to become 40. So the left-hand side now becomes 5 times 2x minus 1 plus 4 times x minus 1, and that will equal 40. So if I now just remove the brackets on the left-hand side, I've got 10x minus 5 plus 4x minus 4 is going to equal 40. So simplifying the left-hand side, 10x plus 4x is 14x, minus 9 is equal to 40. Now if I add 9 to both sides, I've got 14x is equal to 49, which means that x is going to be 49 divided by 14. I can see there that I can divide the top and the bottom by 7, so that gives me 7 over 2. In other words, 3.5. Now an alternative way of solving this equation, you've got 2x minus 1 over 4 plus x minus 1 over 5 is equal to 2. The alternative way is to add the two fractions on the left-hand side. In other words, I'm going to write both fractions on the left-hand side over 20 because I can see that 4 and 5 both go into 20. Now I'm not doing anything to the right-hand side, I'm just adding the fractions on the left. Here we've multiplied the bottom by 5, so I'm also going to multiply the top by 5. Well, that's going to be 10x minus 5. Here I've multiplied the bottom by 4, so I'm going to multiply the top by 4 to give me 4x minus 4. I can now put the two fractions on the left-hand side together, and I've now got 10x minus 5 plus 4x minus 4 is equal to 2. Now I'm going to multiply by the 20. So on the left-hand side, I've got 10x minus 5 plus 4x minus 4. The 20 is now gone, and that's equal to 40. Simplifying the left-hand side, then I've got 14x minus 9 is equal to 40. So again, 14x is going to be 49, which means that x is again going to be 3.5.